everyone who had a hard year this year, to all the parents that are worried and the kids that are scared about the future, to all my friends in climate and biodiversity space. Today I am here to tell you that we are going to win this battle. Things are going to get better. The world is going to become a better place because we will have a blueprint on how not to do it. We are going to create a beautiful new world full of kindness and honor for our planet and all the species we share it with and each other. And you have a place in that battle. As the great Jane Goodall said, don't lose hope, don't give up. There is a role that each and every one of you have to play. There is a plan for you, and we are going to need you in order to win. Also, happy birthday to my dad, who believes in all of us and all our abilities to solve problems. I made you chocolate vegan cupcakes from Bobbette and Belle, and the recipe is in the comments. Together, we are going to light our candles, and together they are going to shine. That's really good. Together we can save the world. Bye.